Our Bowling Green plant is able to tie together really a lot of core capabilities that differentiate what we offer to the end market, to our customers. It starts with our ability to really custom formulate the elastomer that's used in each individual application. We have a sophisticated milling system that's conducted in the plant where we take different grades of elastomer, blend them together, meet the right compound to meet our customers' expectations for the performance of their product. LORD has a very sophisticated capability in ChemLock adhesives, and it's used for bonding elastomer to metal, and we're able to leverage that capability in our own manufacturing process. We're doing the final bonding of the components in the plant. Being able to tie all of those capabilities together gives us a wonderful product that meets customers' expectations, and having the ability to understand the elastomer capabilities, the application of ChemLock to the product to give us a superior bond integrity, and then doing the final assembly of the product is something that you see in its entirety at the Bowling Green plant.